Hello everybody that is still in quarantine and in lockdown. We're gonna play a game. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial really quick of how to do Jigsaw's makeup. I will show you what you need and how to do it. It's actually like legit simple as sin. That's all I'm gonna say. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So here's what you're gonna need. You are going to need white face paint. I have this brand, Nazaro. I cannot pronounce that for the life of me. Brushes, you'll see why. I use paint brushes over regular makeup brushes because I don't have any makeup brushes at all. Black face makeup paint and red face makeup paint, and you'll see why in a minute. And also you will need a what's called sponge wedge, or cosmetic sponge wedge. So with that being said, let's get started on the makeup tutorial on how to do it. This is what you'll need for the game. Also black wig as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is take this sponge right here, this cosmetic sponge, and you're going to need to take the white face paint. You're going to need to put some water in, not in those face paint, but on the sponge. I'm going to do this. Get a little bit of water, not too much to where it's like, what's going on? You don't want too much. And then, of course, you're going to want to take this. Make sure, I'm making sure my camera's on. Yep. And do this, kind of spread it around and whatnot. Like so. So you get a decent amount, and you're going to want to, like, slap most of this stuff all over your face. Like so. This is going to be a while, so bear with me. I'm probably going to do this half-assed for the most part. I'm not sure yet. But other than that, I like the Saw movies, but I like the main trilogy. But other than that, yeah, I like the main trilogy. So what you're going to do, you want to get all over your face. At least like up to right here for the most part is what I normally do. Whoops. And you want to get as much as you can. I'm going to do this pretty quickly because it's a quick tutorial. You'll get the idea. I'm going to need more water on the sponge. There you go. Your hands will get a little bit messy, but that's not too much of a problem. You want to get like a ghost white, and you want to if you have facial hair, you might want to jack it up a little bit with some extra makeup. But yeah, like about this much. I'd say like 2 to 3 layers while doing the first part. Right now, of course, I'm going to be doing like probably 1 layer at most for this tutorial, just to give you a general idea of how it's done. But yeah, 1 layer, 1 to 2 layers, sometimes 3, depending on how much makeup you want to put on. This is just full-on white, pale skin makeup. You don't want to put too much on the eyebrows right here. You want to get at just mainly the face. Alright, so we're almost to the next step, actually. Any brand of face paint will actually work, so yeah. And there we go. And let's just go right here and here around the lips. There. Alright, so on to the next step, which is the mouth. So the next step, you're going to want to take a small brush right here. We're going to make the little mouthpiece for Jigsaw, you know, where he talks and whatnot. We're going to do that with this. So what we're going to do is take some black face makeup right here. You can use eyeliner or whatever. I use whatever's around me, more or less. And you're going to want to like make lines right here and here. Like so. Like right there. A little bit where the lip is, you know. And you can actually add thickness to it if you want. Right here. Looks a little bit better, a little bit thicker if you want some thickness to it, like so. And then the next portion you're going to have to do is fill in the lips right here because he has red lips. So we're gonna use another red paint. You can get this at Spirit Halloween for like a few bucks. Probably like 3 or 4, give or take. So we're gonna fill in the lips right here, which is not my cup of tea. I'm like kind of like lipstick almost. Just to give it that red color, extra tint. And then the next step, you're gonna wanna make like a little, not a happy face, but like right here, like a what's this bit? You want to make a Joker looking thing, type of thing. Right here. I look like the goddamn Joker, Jesus Christ. And then the next thing you want to do is make the spirals, which is a little bit hard for me, but I mean, I haven't had much practice with this. This is just a quick video to show you how to do the Jigsaw makeup. So we want to do this a little bit light around. It's gonna look shitty a little bit, but no big deal. And you want to fill in that portion right there. It's gonna look a little bit rubbish. That's because I'm using a brush. I should start using like a thingy. Whatever. Anyway. And this one's gonna look a little bit better actually, because I'm not like overdoing it. And you want a little circle right here. This is hard to do with my left hand. And here is what it looks like so far with the makeup. I'm looking straight at the camera. And voila, that's how you make the Jigsaw makeup. With that being said, I'm going to do a medium, or not a 360 turn, but a 180 turn, and show you what the makeup looks like completely in full detail. So yeah.